Hey y'all, so we're back with another wig review and unboxing, and today we are working with Yolissa Hair, and it came in this really cute pink box, and this is what it looks like when you take off the lid. So it came with this Yolissa, I think this is like a head scarf, maybe that you put on top of your melting band, or maybe just like to lay your edges or something. It also came with the edge brush, and it came with a Yolissa melting band as well. And it also came with these little lashes, little 3 lashes, super cute. Also came with HD wig caps and this cute little Yolissa hair bag. This is what is on the bag. It says HD lace, cap size medium, 200 hair density, 13 by 4, 24 inches. I love how they put all that on there for you to like really see, and it's like really organized. And this is the unit, y'all. Already you can tell that the hairline on it looks really good. It definitely gives like plucked already. Like they really tried to make the hairline look realistic, and they did a good job, because to me, like that looks good. And that's what the lace is looking like. There's a middle part. Here's the side of the wig, also plucked very nicely. And then the wig also came with these curls in it already, which were so just bouncy and pretty. Look at that, y'all. That looks like slow motion. That's not even slow motion. That's just how the hair looks like. This is in real time. It's just so bouncy and flowy. And it also came with a full frontal. Y'all know I love me a full frontal, because you can just do so many different styles with a full frontal. So 10 points for that. And then here's the middle part close up, definitely giving pre-plucked as well. So let's get into the install of this wig. I'm just throwing it on my head right now. I don't think I have put no makeup on the lace at this point. I literally just threw it on straight out the box, and now I'm just pinning back my hair so that I can cut off the extra lace over here by my ears. Once I cut that off, I was just kind of parting out like where I wanted my little hairs out on the side. And I didn't part out like no swoops or nothing, like too much baby hairs. I didn't want too much, and that's how much I ended up cutting off of the lace. It was a good amount, and I was like, damn, look at all that lace go on. So now I'm just taking my alcohol and a cotton pad and wiping off my hairline, getting off any dirt, any oil, any makeup that might be left on there. And once that's clean, y'all know what I'm going in with, my Even Wonder Lace Bond Spray. Spraying that all over my hairline really good, getting that on there. And I think I did 2 coats of this, or I might have just did 1. But yeah, I'm just spraying like a good amount of that and rubbing that on my hairline good. And then I'm putting the lace on, and I'm just pressing it into my skin really good, pressing it down. This wig install is literally going by so fast, because it's literally everything's already done. Y'all see the hairline is super duper plucked really good. And I know that y'all seen the hairline. It's also pre-bleached as well. You can't really see no knot. Not pre-cut, but that's okay, because I like cutting my own lace anyways. And the curls are already in here. Like, this is such a quick install. So I want to brush these out and see what they're giving, or see if I'm gonna have to recurl this hair. And honestly, right now it's looking like we literally don't have to do nothing to this wig, y'all. Look how these curls are just brushing out. So pretty. I might touch them up in the front curls, but as far as these go, this is actually exactly how I curl my hair. Like, these look so good. Look at this. That is so freaking pretty, y'all. And I think I'm gonna go no baby hairs today, just because, ooh, this is so pretty, y'all. Look. Just because the hairline is plucked, I feel like I don't need to do no baby hairs. Like, it's just giving like a very clean, sleek, natural look with these bombshell curls, like. And that's on Yolissa Hair, period. is quite literally what I'm talking about. So let's put this band back on just for a little minute and let this melt again. And then from there, I will see if I need to add makeup or not. But I think this is gonna be good. It might need a little bit of makeup. It might need just a little bit of makeup, but that's really pretty much it for this install. I'm not gonna do the baby hairs. I'm just gonna do a little bit of sideburns like this, so it can look very natural. I might give it a little bit of layers, but that's literally it with this wig, y'all. Now, this is a wig where you really don't have to do nothing, like seriously. Although, I do think I'm the kind of girl where I just like wigs where I have to do everything, which that sounds crazy, but I really like bleaching my own knots most of the time and plucking my own hairline because I like my knots to be bleached. Like, I don't want to see no knots. I want it to look blonde at the roots so that it looks like scalp. Like, I want my knots bleached, and a lot of like pre-bleach units really still be having like a lot of knots sometimes. They bleach it, you know, a little bit so that if you wanted to wear it straight out the box you could, but I like my knots to be very bleached. Tutorial for that is on the way. I keep saying that, but y'all, I just be having so much videos to edit and everything, and I promise that is on the way soon. And hold me to it in the comments, you know, let me know in the comments that y'all want to see that bleaching tutorial so I can, like, I'm on it, but like, you know, y'all can remind me. But yes, that is on the way. And like I was saying, I really do like the wigs that don't come pre-plucked or pre-bleached or anything. I like them that come just raw, like you can see the knots, the hairline's not plucked, because I low-key like doing it myself because I feel like I can make it look a little bit more realistic. Some of these wigs do come plucked really good, some come bleached really good, but you know, it's not always consistent, especially with there being different brands I'm always installing and reviewing. Once I find a brand that does come like pre-bleach and pre-plucked good, like this one is plucked pretty good and bleached pretty well. This is one that, you know, I would recommend for y'all. But if I had it my way, I'll be having these wigs come a little bit more bleached and probably just a little bit more plucked. But I mean, this one is pretty good. But yeah, I like that I didn't really have to do much to this wig besides cut the lace and lay it down. The curls are already here, the hair is full, and the curls, it's just really the curls for me. Like, I love the curls. I love these curls. Like, they should do all the wigs like this and just have them come already curled, so that way you can just leave it curled, or if you want to straighten it from this point you could just straighten it. But I mean, this is just so pretty, and the wig is already a little bit layered because this right here is like already, it's already layered. So I mean, we don't need to do no layers or nothing, y'all. This wig is done. The wig, everything's already done. So we're done. I'm gonna do my makeup and everything, and then come back and show y'all the final looks and take off the band. I just know it's gonna be tea. BRB. All right, y'all, so this is the final looks of the hair and makeup done. And this wig was like honestly a super easy install, y'all, and I love this wig because it came with curls already. It already came plugged, it already came bleached. Like, this is definitely a fire unit. As y'all literally see me unbox the wig, and it came with the curls, it came already plugged, it came already bleached, and all I did was put it on my head and brush it out, like, and it's just giving fab. It's just giving that girl, like, yeah. The hairline gives very much real hair. Yeah. And I decided not to do no baby hairs, and I think this right here, this little piece, and I did cut it to look a little bit more realistic. I think that just adds like a really cute touch, and it makes it look like so like realistic, you know. I actually just love the way these curls look. Like, I just love some fluffy curls. Like, these curls right here are the perfect size. And I really want to know what did they use to do these curls so that I can buy it, because this is the exact way I be want my curls to look. Sometimes my curls do look like this, but this is just so pretty. Like, it just falls just pretty. Like, it just falls like an effortless kind of look, you know, like effortless curls. This, look how pretty this is. Like, what? It's the hairline for me. Hairline's giving very much real hair. And right here, I was just trying a different style, so I just kind of pulled the hair back
I should have got some water or like some mousse and like really slicked it with like a brush, but I just kind of want to see what it would look like that. And like honestly, that was real cute, a real quick and easy style that you could do with this hair. And I just love how this hairline just looks so natural. So this hairstyle just looks so good and natural. And yeah, that's the end of this video, y'all. So thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Again, this is a 13x4 HD lace unit from Yolissa Hair, body wave in 24 inches, and the link to this will be down below in my description. So make sure you check that out, and I'll see you on the next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.
This is the next day, y'all. At this point it's 6 p.m. and I've been up since like 8 a.m. Been up since like 8 a.m. 9 a.m. So this is the hair after all day. I went to the gym and everything and worked out with this wig on, and I mean there's still curls in here and this hair is full. That is one thing I would say again after wearing it out for a day. I was saying even before the hair is full, but like the hair is definitely full, and the curls, there's still a good amount of curls in here. So I mean the hair can hold a curl. And like I said, I've been running around all day, been up all day, and it was curlier earlier, but I done took a nap and everything, and I had worked out, sweated, and there were still curls. But when I first woke up, you know, there were still curls. At the gym there was curls, and now there's still curls, but just not as much. So still super cute though. The lace just gives definitely HD vibes.